Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Anmachen. Whether you want to turn on the light, the TV, the heat, or a candle, you'll need the German verb anmachen. To turn on, put on, or to mix. Anmachen. 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 Anmachen is a separable verb and usually means to turn something on. Let's check out some examples. Es ist dunkel. Bitte mach das Licht an. It's dark. Please turn on the lights. Es war kalt, weswegen ich das Feuer angemacht habe. It was cold, which is why I lit the fire. Oma hat die Heizung angemacht. Grandma turned on the heating. Ich werde den Fernseher anmachen, da die Show um 9 Uhr beginnt. I will turn on the TV because the show begins at 9 o'clock. It can also mean to mix, most commonly combined with the word der Salat, to mix a condiment with a salad. Der Koch macht den Salat mit dem Olivenöl an. The cook mixes the salad with the olive oil. Anmachen is a separable verb, which means that the prefix an changes places depending on the verb tense and the structure of the sentence. Let's check out the conjugation of the whole verb. Ich mache an. Du machst an. Er, sie, es macht an. Wir machen an. Ihr macht an. Sie machen an. And this is a great example of what we warned you about. The prefix an separates itself from the rest of the verb. So we have in a sentence, Du machst das Licht an. You're turning on the light. Hat angemacht. Here, an gets separated, but not quite. Like with all separable verbs, ge comes between the stem of the verb and the prefix an. So we get the Partizip 2, angemacht, which then gets paired with the verb haben to form the past tense. Du hast das Licht angemacht. You turned on the light. Machte an. Du machtest das Licht an. You turned on the light. Werd anmachen. In the future tense, the prefix an doesn't get separated from the rest of the verb because it comes in its infinitive form. And together with the verb werden, it forms the future tense. Du wirst das Licht anmachen. You will turn on the light. Want to level up? Learn a few more usages of the verb anmachen. Informally, you can also use the verb anmachen to say things like this. Das macht mich nicht an. It doesn't bother me. Die Musik hat ihn angemacht. The music turned him on. Mach mich nicht an, meaning don't bother me, or the same as lass mich in Ruhe, leave me alone. And if you're maybe looking for a partner, you can use jemanden anmachen as make a move on somebody. Er hat in der Disco Mädchen angemacht. He made a move on the girls at the disco. Sie machte den Mann ihrer besten Freundin an. She made a move on her best friend's husband. Very bad move. From this moment on, you don't have to sit in the dark anymore because you didn't know how to tell your roommate, who only speaks German, to turn the lights on. And not only that. In this one video, you also learned how to say that you're lighting on the fire or turning up the heat. And you thought we were kidding when we said anmachen was quite a useful verb to learn. Still, there's probably room for improvement, so solve these questions and see what you learned. Put the correct present form of the verb anmachen in the following sentences. Write your answers in the comments below and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!